Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're into smart automotive upgrades, make sure you subscribe for more real-world reviews. Check the links in the description for the best current deals, and drop a comment with your vehicle and setup so I can help you choose the right one. If you've ever walked out to your car, turned the key, and heard absolutely nothing because your battery was drained overnight, you already know how frustrating electrical issues can be. Parasitic drain, vehicle storage, theft prevention, these problems cost time and money. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 battery disconnect switches that can protect your vehicle, extend battery life, and save you from expensive headaches. Starting at number 5, the FEITON Remote Battery Disconnect Switch. This is a 12-volt remote-controlled battery isolator rated for up to 200 amps, continuous current, and around 1000 amps momentary surge, making it suitable for most cars, light trucks, and SUVs. It's built with a heavy-duty ABS housing and pure copper internal contacts for strong conductivity. The kit includes the main disconnect unit, 2 wireless remote fobs, battery cable terminals, and installation hardware. It's designed for top-post batteries and fits standard 15 to 17 mm negative terminals. The remote range typically reaches up to 50 meters, giving you full control without opening the hood. In real-world use, this is a fantastic option for daily drivers who want convenience. Instead of popping the hood every time you park for long periods, you just hit the remote and cut power instantly. It's especially useful for vehicles that sit for weeks, like project cars or secondary vehicles. Installation is straightforward if you're comfortable working with battery terminals, and the wireless function feels surprisingly responsive. For the price, it adds a serious layer of anti-theft and battery protection. The only downside is that it's not ideal for extremely high-current heavy-duty applications, but for most personal vehicles, it's a smart buy. At number 4, the DZSSCY Remote Battery Disconnect Switch steps things up slightly in durability and build quality. This is also a 12-volt remote kill switch rated around 250 amps continuous and up to 1000 amps surge current. It uses upgraded copper-plated silver contacts for improved conductivity and heat resistance. The housing is reinforced ABS for vibration resistance, and it comes with 2 remotes, wiring leads, and clear installation instructions. It's compatible with most 12V vehicles, including cars, trucks, RVs, and even some boats, provided they stay within the amp rating. What I like about this one is the improved internal relay design. It feels more robust under repeated cycling, and that matters if you're using it daily. The signal response is quick, and it gives you peace of mind when parking in high-risk areas. It's also a solid solution for preventing battery drain from aftermarket electronics like dash cams or sound systems. For DIYers who want remote functionality with a bit more current handling, this one makes sense. The minor drawback is that you still need to mount the control unit securely to avoid vibration wear, but once installed properly, it performs reliably. Now at number 3, we move to something more mechanical and straightforward, the Joinfworld Side Post Battery Disconnect Switch. This unit is specifically designed for GM-style side post batteries. It's made from solid brass for corrosion resistance and maximum conductivity, and it handles up to 125 amps continuous current. The compact design screws directly onto the side terminal, and you simply turn the knob to connect or disconnect power. No wiring harness, no remote, no electronics, just a direct mechanical break in the circuit. This is the kind of switch I recommend for older trucks, project builds, or anyone who prefers simplicity over electronics. There's virtually nothing to fail here. Brass construction means it resists corrosion better than cheaper alloys, and the direct fit design keeps installation quick and clean. It's also extremely affordable, making it perfect for budget-conscious builds or seasonal vehicles. The only trade-off is that you have to manually access the battery each time, but for reliability and price, it's hard to beat. Coming in at number 2 is the GAMA Electronics Top Post Battery Master Disconnect Switch. This is a heavy-duty manual top post switch rated for high-current applications, commonly up to 500 amps surge depending on configuration. It's constructed with solid brass internals and a durable metal housing, designed to mount directly onto the negative top terminal. The green knob design allows you to twist and disconnect power quickly without tools. It fits standard top-post automotive batteries and works well across cars, trucks, RVs, and marine setups. This one is all about durability and trust. GAMA Electronics has been around for years in battery management solutions, and this switch feels industrial grade. The connection is solid, voltage drop is minimal, and it handles higher loads better than many budget options. If you store vehicles long-term or want a reliable theft deterrent without relying on remotes, this is a fantastic middle ground option. It's simple, tough, and proven. The only minor drawback is that repeated removal can slightly loosen battery terminal fitment over time, but with proper installation, it's extremely dependable. And finally, at number 1, the Nilight 600A high current battery switch. This is a serious piece of hardware. It's rated for 600 amps continuous current and up to 1800 amps intermittent, making it ideal for high-performance builds, RVs, boats, off-road rigs, and dual battery systems. It features a heavy-duty ABS plastic housing with copper terminals and stainless steel hardware for corrosion resistance. The switch uses a clear on-off rotary dial and can be mounted on panels or bulkheads, giving you flexible installation options. It supports 12V to 48V systems, which makes it incredibly versatile. In my experience, this is the one you choose when you don't want to worry about current limits at all. It's built for serious electrical loads, winches, inverters, high-powered audio systems, you name it. The rotary action feels solid and confidence-inspiring, and the mounting flexibility makes it perfect for custom installations. If you want maximum durability and professional-level performance, this is absolutely worth the investment. The only downside is that it requires proper cable routing and mounting space, but once installed, it's rock solid. So here's the bottom line. If you want remote convenience for a daily driver, the FEITON and DZSSCY options are excellent choices. If you prefer simple and mechanical, the Joinfworld is perfect for side post setups, while the GAMA electronic switch delivers heavy-duty reliability for top-post batteries. But if you're running high-current systems or want the most robust solution overall, the Nilight 600A stands at the top for sheer performance and durability. No matter which one fits your vehicle and budget, a battery disconnect switch is one of the smartest small upgrades you can make for safety, theft prevention, and battery life. Check the links in the description for the best current deals, subscribe for more hands-on automotive reviews, and let me know in the comments which setup you're running and what vehicle you're installing it on.